Get ready for the next generation of RepairSolutionsPRO. Built to power up your diagnostics with speed, precision, and seamless connectivity. Experience smarter workflows, faster fixes, and the ultimate tool for every professional technician. To explore all of the new features, first, go to pro.repairsolutions.com. Log in or register an account if you haven't got one. Go to Give and Get Fix to get real fixes from real technicians in the field with verified solutions. Get Fix allows you to look up existing solution just by entering the DTCs and the required vehicle information. The results will display the most likely causes of the DTC, ranked as most likely causes. Click any fix to view detailed repair data, TSBs, and real-world solutions verified by professionals. If you have another fix that can address the issue, switch to the Give Fix tab to share your real-world solution with other pros. By manually filling in the vehicle information or choosing the report from the SDS tablets, describe your repair and submit to share it with the community. Next, the Coverage Checker how-to videos helps you learn faster and work smarter. Now, Coverage Checker result comes with step-by-step how-to videos showing exactly how to perform SDS tool functions on your selected vehicle. We've added a new Spanish language option, más accesible, más conveniente. Now, with just one click, you can experience the entire RepairSolutionsPRO platform in Spanish, making diagnostics smoother, faster, and easier for Spanish-speaking technicians. And that's not all. We've broadened the technical content library to give technicians deeper insight, stronger diagnostic confidence, and the tools to stay ahead of evolving automotive technologies. Instantly access detailed, make specific definitions for any DTC with DTC Library. Update the latest global automotive industry news with emerging technologies. Strengthen your diagnostic foundation with OBD knowledge. More precision, and more power to the professional technicians. Visit pro.repairsolutions.com today to discover our new features.